Guys, today we have a classic case of China thrush. Growth on both sides of the mouth and scaly legs. So let me show you how bad the condition is. See both sides of the mouth, just near the eye ring, there's growth with pus inside. So you have to do something before the bacteria spreads and becomes worse. And this China thrush has got scaly legs, so we have to do some treatment here so you can live a normal life. Ah! Wait lah. Wait. I've got to do something. If not, how? If not, how? Must treat. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, wait. Now the other side. All right. You'll be better. Wait, hang on there. Now for this side. This side, when bacteria set in, we have a lot of problem like this. Okay. All right. Hang in there. Okay. You have to remove the pus, if not the bacteria become worse. Okay, both side. Okay, now for the scaly legs. Okay, now for the scaly legs. Okay, just get some olive oil and just rub, massage. Yeah, massage the legs. Yeah, what you're trying to do is moisturize the scales, and eventually the scale will just drop off. Lack of moisture and the age of the bird and lack of good conditioning can, cause scaly legs. Okay, thrush than before. Okay, all right, done.